Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So you always want to buy low at the lowest point, and then you always want to sell high. Okay, and the way that you would know when it's low or when it's high is by using an RSI, which is located at the very bottom of my chart. It's in an orange color. I'm going to line that out for you now. An RSI is basically a technical indicator used when analyzing your stocks. Basically, on the far right hand side, the 30 means that it is oversold and the 70 means that it's overbought. So basically you will want to buy in when it's oversold, and then you want to sell when it's overbought. So when you see the orange line touch down to the 30, that is a good time to buy. When it's at the 70 or higher, that is the best time to sell. Okay, and now I'm just going to circle just some examples of the high points and low points on here, when to buy and sell. And this is just an example chart. Now, if you were to pause this video and zoom in, you'll see it matches with the RSI. Each of the low points, which would be your buy point, is at 30 or below. And then the high points, the circles that I put on the top, are for the high points, which is time to sell your stock to avoid taking a loss. Awesome. And then the very last circle that I drew on the furthest right hand side, let me know what you think. Is that a time to buy or is that a time to sell that stock? Okay, well, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you next time.